Foods you are not allowed to eat in the USA. Haggis. Haggis, a traditional Scottish food, is a savory pudding composed of sheep's heart, liver, and lungs mixed with spices and oatmeal. Haggis, which is traditionally encased in a sheep's stomach, or an artificial replacement, has been outlawed in the United States since 1971. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, concluded that the use of cattle lungs in human food is forbidden, resulting in the ban. Despite the Scottish government's efforts to overturn the restriction, haggis remains unavailable in America, much to the dismay of Scottish food fans. Sea turtles. Despite being killed for culinary purposes in several nations, sea turtles are protected by the U.S. Endangered Species Act. This act restricts the importing of sea turtles into the United States, whether for food or other purposes. The threatened status of sea turtles has led to a decrease in the consumption of turtle meat, including delicacies such as turtle soup, which was once popular in some areas. Ackee. Ackee, Jamaica's national fruit, turns brilliant crimson when ripe and has a distinct flavor. However, it contains toxins that, if not correctly prepared, can result in severe symptoms such as dehydration, vomiting, seizures, and comas. Due to these health risks, fresh ackee fruit is forbidden in the United States. Canned ackee, which follows strict FDA rules and is safely processed, is available at certain supermarkets for people interested in trying this Caribbean delicacy. Shark fins. Shark fins are regarded as a delicacy in various Asian cuisines, especially soups. However, finning, the practice of catching sharks, removing their fins, and discarding the living sharks back into the ocean, is generally dismissed for its brutal nature and impact on shark populations. The James M. Inhofe National Defense Authorization Act of 2022 prohibits the importing of shark fins into the United States, with the goal of reducing this practice and protecting shark species. Cashew marzu. Cashew marzu, a typical Sardinian cheese, is famous for its unique preparation with live insect larvae. Cheese flies lay eggs in the fermentation process of cheese, which is commonly prepared from sheep's milk. The larvae digest the cheese's lipids, affecting its texture and flavor. While some consider it a delicacy, the presence of live maggots poses health risks, prompting its prohibition in the United States for safety reasons. Beluga caviar. Beluga caviar, made from the roe of beluga sturgeon located in the Caspian Sea, was banned in the United States in 2005 under the Endangered Species Act due to the dwindling population of beluga sturgeon. While purebred beluga caviar is still banned, hybrid species of beluga sturgeon have been sustainably produced, allowing for the legal sale of hybrid beluga caviar in the United States under controlled conditions. Sassafras oil. Sassafras oil, recognized for its characteristic aroma, contains saffron, a chemical regarded as a possible carcinogen. Because of the health hazards connected with saffron exposure, saffron oil and items containing high levels of safrole are prohibited in the U.S. Despite its natural presence in modest levels in herbs such as basil and cinnamon, concentrated sassafras oil is rigorously regulated to safeguard public health.